Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're here, I'm glad you're here. Thank you so much for clicking. My name is Queen Atusher. Without further ado, in today's video, we'll be doing a restroom decor with me. I just purchased my house 2 weeks ago and my house needs help. But today's video will be just doing this one restroom to start with. Early on today, I stopped at Ross and I found this cute plant and some towels. And yesterday, I went to Burlington too. But this plant, I'm in love with this plant. And it was only $20. It was on sale, right? Good price. And when I saw this plant, I was, wow, I love it. And this is some other stuff I got from Burlington and Ross. You know, when you move to a new place, you don't get a lot of stuff at the same time. As the day goes by, you find more pieces and more good stuff, you know. But today, let's just work with this stuff I found. And I'm in love with them. They're all cute. All the stuff I got, they were all 20 and under, so they were a good price. No complaint. And I have this DIY here. I have 3 clear containers, and I will be transferring my shampoo, conditioner, and body wash in these containers. I thought it would look good in the restroom when you have matching bottles. And they were affordable price. I bought them at Walmart and they were only $2.99 each. And by the way, guys, the labels I'll be using for this bottle, I don't have a printer, so I'll be using my knife to transfer the name on this bottle. As you can see how cute they look. I'm in love with them. Voila, and this is how the restroom turned out. I love the black and white colors. Look at my plant. This plant is giving good vibe in that restroom. And this is something small to start with. As the day goes by, we purchase more stuff and more. They just start with this. I hope you liked the video and I hope you enjoyed too, as I did. I'm in love with the restroom. I'll be editing my video in there, using Snapchat, using Instagram, you know. Yeah, I love it. Hoping for the best in this house. Hope I create good memory with my kids. So far, I'm in love with the place. And if you made this far, don't forget to like and comment. And you can comment below and give me some tips and suggestions. I will appreciate it. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. I love you and God love you more. Stay blessed. Bye for now.